Welcome to Investopia-Media. If you are new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week, we publish deep dives on the most important stocks in tech, AI, defense, energy, and innovation, and investing in general. Like this video and join the series. Today, we are talking about Ondas Holdings. There is a company most investors have never heard of. It went from $5 million in annual revenue to $50 million in 1 year, and now it is targeting 375 million in 2026. The ticker is ONDS. This is Ondas. Before the numbers, let me explain what they actually do, because this is not a typical tech stock story. Ondas runs two segments. Segment one is Ondas Networks, private wireless communication software for railroads and critical infrastructure. Think specialized connectivity for heavy industry. It is steady and profitable, but it is not the growth engine. Segment two is Ondas Autonomous Systems, or OAS. This is where the story lives. OAS has three platforms. American Robotics builds fully autonomous inspection drones that operate without a pilot for agriculture, energy pipelines, and railroad track monitoring. They hold an FAA waiver for fully autonomous beyond visual line of sight operations, and that is a genuine regulatory moat very few companies have. Aerobotics handles urban autonomous drones. They are already deployed at airports and city infrastructure in Israel, Singapore, and the US. And then there is Iron Drone Raider, a counter drone system that detects, tracks, and neutralizes hostile drones in real time. The contracts tell you where this is going. In December 2025, Ondas was selected as prime contractor to architect and deploy thousands of autonomous drones for a government border protection program, persistent surveillance, swarm-based response, automated threat mitigation across complex terrain. That same quarter, they secured an $8.2 million order from a major European security agency to protect one of Europe's largest airports with Iron Drone Raider. They also completed an $80 million acquisition of RoboTeam, a tactical ground robot company with existing contracts with the US Marine Corps and the Israeli Ministry of Defense. That acquisition gave Ondas immediate prime contractor status. Now, the financials. Full year 2025 revenue, $49.7 million. That is a 600% increase from 2024. Gross margin expanded from 5% to 40% in a single year. A sign the business model is maturing fast. Q4 2025 alone was $30 million, up 629% year over year. Cash position is a key part of this story. They closed 2025 with 594 million in cash, then raised nearly $1 billion more in January 2026. Total liquidity over $1.5 billion. Market cap is approximately $4 billion. The 2026 target is 375 million in revenue. If they hit it, you are buying this today at roughly 10 times forward revenue. Expensive, but defense tech companies trade at premium multiples. Bull case. Ondas is being described as the mini-Anduril, the only publicly traded autonomous defense drone pure play at small cap prices. Counter UAS is one of the fastest growing segments in global defense right now. Their three platform model covers commercial inspection, urban surveillance, and active defense simultaneously. Government contracts are not promises. They are already booking revenue. And with 1.5 billion in cash, they can acquire and execute without going back to markets. Bear case. They are still deeply unprofitable. The Q4 EPS miss was significant. 375 million for 2026 requires 640% growth, the kind of guidance that punishes badly if execution slips. Heavy warrant issuance has diluted shareholders, and more dilution risk remains. Small cap with thin institutional coverage means high volatility. My take, this is a high conviction, speculative position, not a core holding. The border protection contract alone If it scales to full deployment with thousands of drones, could be transformational, but you have to accept the risk. Keep it at 1 to 2% of your portfolio. The number to watch is Q1 2026 earnings. They guided 38 to 40 million for the quarter. If they hit it, this stock re-rates. Subscribe to Investopia-Media for weekly deep dives like this. Drop a comment below. Are you watching Ondas? Hit like if this was useful. See you in the next one.